Hello, so here we are with an unboxing of the HP Pre 3, the successor to the HP Palm Pre 2. Keeping a similar form factor, the Pre 3 has been updated in terms of its materials, the OS and the general performance of the device. So let's take a look. This is a UK spec model. So we've got the HP branding now because of course they've taken over Palm, so this is known as the HP Pre 3. We shouldn't see any recognition of Palm on this box now. So it's fairly bland packaging, not too much inside or on the side of it. We do have the box contents. We've got the Pre 3 smartphone, a battery, EU and UK mains adapter, phone charger, sync and charge cable, stereo headset, getting started guide and a gestures guide. So let's get right to it. Let's take a look in the actual box. So we've got an outer sleeve here which we remove, and then we remove the top of the box to reveal the Pre 3. Come back to that in a second. So inside we've got some documentation, just getting started guide and what have you. Some support information here. So then we have the micro USB sync and charge cable for the device. We've got a set of stereo headphones, 3.5mm jack, simple in-ear ones. We have a 2-pin European mains adapter head, so these are interchangeable ones. So that's the European adapter. You do get a 3-pin UK adapter as well, and that will connect to this mains adapter, so that's where the interchangeable heads connect to, and then this has a USB port on it for using that micro USB cable, and you connect that into there, and that will charge the device. Interestingly, this mains adapter does actually have the Palm branding on it, which is interesting considering everything else has got HP branding all over it, but so it is, shows the relationship to the old Palm. And that's about it. Lastly is just some legal information in there, nothing exciting at all. So if we bring the device back in itself, so this is the HP Pre 3, force of habit there saying Palm. So we've got the slide out QWERTY keyboard, we've got 4 lines of key, very similar to the old Pre in terms of the actual feel. They're quite small buttons, the likes of the BlackBerry or the HTC Charge are definitely bigger. But they've got nice tactile feedback. If you've got fat fingers, this may not be ideal for you. Seems like some's wasted here with this spacing, but I guess that's something to do with the sliding mechanism. So on the actual device itself, we've got a touch screen. We've got a front-facing VGA camera, got a speaker grille. We've got a touch-sensitive part to the front of the device here, so you'll actually get a flashing LED when in use. And that's where you access the menu and applications and what have you. So then, of course, we've got the slide-out keyboard, as we've just shown. On the base of the device, we've simply got a recess for removing the back cover. On the side, we've got a micro USB data and charging port. On the top, we've got the power button. We've got a mute button, which you can slide across there. And then we've got the 3.5mm headphone jack. On the other side, we've got the volume rocker up and down. On the back, we've got a rear-facing 5 megapixel autofocus camera with LED flash. We've got the HP logo emblazoned on the back here, and a small cutout for what probably is the loudspeaker or another internal microphone. So you've got 3G HSDPA on this device. Got Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Got the 5 megapixel camera as we've mentioned. So let's just remove the back here to reveal the battery. So this has got 8 gig of internal memory. And then if we remove this, we've got the battery here, which is an HP branded battery with a rating of 1230 milliamp hours. We've got the SIM card slot. There's no additional memory card slot because this does have the 8 gig of internal memory on here. So fit that back on. So this is the HP Pro 3, available now from clove.co.uk.